Hello viewers. Welcome to Tech Geek for another video. In today's video I will review the gaming mouse, Logitech G305, to help you decide whether to buy it or not. I'm happy that Logitech is making technologies like LIGHTSPEED more accessible to mainstream consumers with this release. It's a really impressive technology that finally got me to ditch wired mice, and I think it needs to be in the hands of more gamers. While the G305 doesn't feel quite as good in the hand as the G703 or the G903 do, that's really the only complaint I have about it. It lacks some of the bells and whistles of more expensive mice in the Logitech G line, but if you can live without things like RGB lighting and PowerPlay support, the G305 becomes quite an impressive mouse for the money. Furthermore, its battery life, portability, and subtle design mean that this can be a good daily driver for pretty much anyone, regardless of whether or not the gamers by night like so many of us are. As long as you don't mind a lightweight mouse that isn't outfitted with RGB lights like so many PC peripherals these days are, I think you'll find that G305 offers a lot of value for the money. Some of the big pros and cons of this product are: pros. LIGHTSPEED technology at a more mainstream price. Long life from a single AA battery. Simple customization through Logitech gaming software. $60 is a good price for what you get. Cons. RGB fanatics should look elsewhere. G305 feels a little lightweight and small in the hand. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please subscribe to Tech Geek for more reviews.